Hey guys, it's time to return to this. We started this saddle notch cabin a year ago with no knowledge of what we were doing, and as you can see, we got the logs put up, doors cut in it, and windows in, but we haven't been able to finish it. So we've recruited some friends, Keith and Darla and Dwayne inside, and they're gonna start doing some stuff on the property for us, like starting with the floor inside. Next will go the roof and then the front porch. So let's go check it out. Hey Dwayne.
How you doing, man?
So, how out of level is the floor?
Level, I have to check.
Good. I'm glad to hear it.
It's square, it's pretty bad.
Oh, I know it. It's funny, we started this thing square, and in no time it was gone.
Yeah, it don't take much.
So, really our goal with this is not to build an overnight rental. It's just to have a small saddle notch cabin like what we would have seen 100 or 200 or 300 years ago in the Appalachians. And this flooring that you see came right off the property and was sawed up maybe a month, 6 weeks ago, so we'll probably see some gaps come in it. Of course, the gaps in the logs have grown, but I like it just like it is. Gonna keep it primitive and do an 810 or an 812 or a 1012 pitched roof over top, and then a 4-5-12 pitch out front for the front porch. And then anyone or everyone can just come hang out. Maybe leave some rocking chairs right here for that beautiful view and those fantastic wildflowers. Val, you doing all right?
I'm doing all right.
No bee stings yet?
Don't say yet. That's been nuts.
So, do you have an EpiPen?
No.
Or did you leave it? Okay. Keith, give us a wave. You don't have to say hello or anything. He's asked for some money for selling his likeness, and I offered him $10.
And a case of water.
And a case of water. I think we can handle that.
It looks good. little different for you guys. Lately, I have been doing a little bit more work since I've been in town, like checking up on the road work, which you can hear going on right now. And the log cabin that we left in kind of a dismal array about a year and a half ago, and now it is. The floor is done, the porch is done, the framing for the roof is almost done, and here soon they will be roofing it completely and using the scrap metal that we have from the old farmhouse we tore down a couple months ago and from the barn also. But as for everything else, all of the materials that were used were all from the property, which is so cool. But I hope you've watched the first video about the log cabin. It's awesome. It's awesome. Probably one of my favorite projects this far. So yeah, more to come, and so excited for you guys to be a part of this. It's really, really awesome, and there's nothing like it. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much, and bless you all.